Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSN Cards coming back at you once again with a 2-box break of 2011 Donruss, or 2010. I'm getting ahead of myself. 2010 Elite, and I got 1 p.m. Alright, let's start it up. Good luck, guys. Maybe get some hot boxes or some black statuses, 1-of-1s. Good luck. Pack number 1 will be all base. So thanks for those who hung out in the room. And we got our first autograph. It'll go to the Padres. It'll be numbered out of 810 of Jonathan Galvez for the Padres. Jonathan Galvez for the Padres. Which is J Chirp. Next pack will be an insert of Drew Pomeranz, School of Colors. Aaron Sanchez out of 200, Blue Aspirations for the Blue Jays. They did, Paul. I got it specially made. Oh, we got a green. Numbered out of 25, Jose Vinicio. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but that'll go to the Red Sox, numbered out of 25. For the Red Sox, it's a Robbins. Next autograph will be Austin Reed, numbered out of 499. And that'll go to the Cubs, which is Bryofia 3540. Austin Reed autograph. Then we got a David Filak, numbered out of 817 for the Braves. Blue autograph. David Filak for the Braves. This one feels extra thick, and it's a decoy. So I've got 3 autographs already, hoping we get a hot box. We'll see, though. Another blue. It'll be of Sam Tuvailala out of 810. Tuvailala, numbered out of 810 for the Cardinals. As they talk about Bartolo Colon. Hit a redemption. Autograph rookies, card number 132. Card 132 will be... Where's 132? 132 will be... Oh, that's sick. Manny Machado. Sick. Manny Machado autograph. You write that down. Nice hit. Boom. So congratulations. Very nice card there. For PDAS, Ryan Lamar, Michigan. School call. That's the first auto of him I've ever pulled. And PDAS just got a little sexier. Numbered out of 810, Joe Gardner for the Indians. Joe Gardner. That's 6 autographs, I think, already, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we hit 6 autographs. Maybe a hot box. Colburn Vidic, School Colors. Another autograph here. This one will be Ryan Castile for the Rockies, numbered out of 817. Ryan Castile as autograph number 7. Another autograph. This one will be out of 550 of Chance Ruffin for the Tigers. Chance Ruffin. We have a college ties of Michael Choice, Rhett Varner. And a Alex Levinsky, numbered out of 499 autograph for the Indians. Dave Winfield, the Elite Series insert. 2 packs to go. And box number 1, nice box. It was a hot box. And final autograph will be Jimmy Nelson, numbered out of 640 for the Brewers. Jimmy Nelson. So nice Machado autograph for the Orioles. Box number 2. Get right into it. Congratulations, Pete Az, on that. Pack 1, numbered out of 473. We have a Zach Cox autograph on card, first round draft pick. That'll go to the Cardinals. Todd Cunningham, school colors insert. Eric Goodell out of 810. For the Mets. For the Mets, which is Big Fish 7499. Elite Series of Brandon Workman, not numbered. Can't help it, Grand Slam. I'm sorry. All base. Base. Where's all the hits at? I'm guaranteeing we get a hit out of this pack. Guaranteed, because we didn't get any inserts or anything. And I was wrong. Numbered out of 200, Chavez Clark. For the Angels. Edinson Rincon out of 819 for the Padres autograph.
And I was under the understanding that it had to go to both walls. Did not. I think the universal rule has to go to both.
What up, Jacob?
But if he was incorrect.
Base.
Well, I figured they knew the rules. You know, I mean,
And we have a Dan Klein red status for the Orioles out of 100.
I thought the universal ground rules, it has to go to both. He said the one wall.
Hunter Morris, school colors.
It's hard for me to tell.
I'm doing well.
Especially if he's incorrect.
Another hit. I think we had, didn't we hit an autograph of him already? It's going to be Joe Gardner. I thought we did get one. One is out of 79 and one is out of 191 for the Indians. So 2 Joe Gardner autographs for the Indians. Elite Series of Zach Lee. Next autograph will be Todd Cunningham at a 699. Second round draft pick for the Braves. Todd Cunningham. Brandon Workman with a big old ding on the bottom. Elite Series. Look at that dent in the bottom corner. Elite Series of Colburn Vidic. 2 packs to go. Doesn't seem like we hit a lot of autographs in this box. Am I wrong? How many autographs are we up to? No autograph in there. It's the final pack. And it'll be an autograph of Ben Gamel, numbered out of 801 for the Yankees. Ben Gamel. So, let me see. What were the hot boxes? 9 autographs? Or 10? 9, 10. Yeah, we did get all 6 autographs. Didn't seem like a lot, but that is it for box number 2. 3 boxes to go. GSN Cards is out.